I am Adam, Prince of Eternia, defender of the secrets of Castle Grayskull. This is Cringer, my fearless friend. Fabulous. By the power of Grayskull!
I have the power!
Show me what you got, buddy. Show me.
Whoa.
Show me.
Hey.
Show me. Huxley, show it to me. Show me, buddy. Yeah, there you go. Smile.
Here.
Clean my room, sweeping through like a broom. Now we're cooking.
Say welcome to Slade on Slade.
Welcome on, Slade to Slade.
Welcome to Slade on Slade. This is my best buddy right here, Huxley. And today we're going to open a toy that I bought for him and his little brother, who's over there. Hi, Ollie. He's digging in the dirt. He's having a good time, okay?
Don't do that.
Okay. Show me proper safety with a knife. Proper safety. No. Safe. Right here. Boop. Nice and slow. Boop. Nice and slow. Okay. Then I'm going to take it from you. Oh, look what we got. This is a Amazon 4-pack. This is, I think, the only way you can get Goatman. You like this, huh? You're excited to see this movie. Oh, I'm sorry. You were taking it out. Sorry. There's nothing behind it. There's just that. Look at that, huh? Man-at-Arms, Goatman, Skeletor, He-Man.
And that guy.
That's Man-at-Arms, yeah. He's getting used to the new Man-at-Arms. I think Goatman looks good. Doesn't Goatman look like he ate a pie? He's got whipped cream all over his face. He had one of Mommy's coffees. He got the whipped cream all over his face, didn't he? There you go. You want to take it out of the package? Okay. Oh, yeah, I'll take it out. Here, I'll help you.
Who's there?
Just an old friend.
Skeletor! How did you get in?
The same way we...
Can you back up? Can you back up while I do this? Look at that. He even opened it for Daddy.
Buddy, you gotta get on the front of the camera.
Okay, there you go. On-air injury. See, I wasn't using the knife right. Didn't keep my hand in the right area. And what happened, huh?
I saved Daddy.
I know. I taught you the wrong way by accident. Pull it out like this. Just like that. Boom. Let's see. We got everybody's stuff out. All right. Okay, that's why I don't play basketball. All right, let's package that up. There you go. You like these?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Mom, get a close-up on these.
Gun. Pew pew. They added a gun. On accident. Here.
No. Man-at-Arms has a gun. It fits on the side right here. Just like that.
Yeah, because I didn't know he Man-at-Arms had a gun.
Look at the camera and say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hit like and subscribe. We appreciate every single one of your viewers. And if your mom and dad, or if you are an adult and you read, The House of Ribbons and The House of Sleepless Dreams are on sale right now on Amazon. Both are bestsellers. And book 3, The House of Shifting Sands, is due to drop in, I think, late August. Yeah, Nina is my editor, and she is the manager, so she knows she knows more about it than I do. I write. My wife and Nina, they do all the behind-the-scenes stuff, and I greatly appreciate them. So,
Maybe Oh no,
He-Man to get him.
play with it here. I'm tired of... I wonder if there's something to play with in here. I'm tired of playing alone. Maybe he wants...
welcome back to another Huxley and Dad video. Today we're going to be doing the Master Universe Fright Fighter. We're gonna stick this onto the 4-pack, right? With Goatman. Is that our favorite figure so far? Hell yeah, Goatman's pretty badass. All right, you ready?
Yes, let's open this baby up.
Heck yeah, there you go. Pick it up. Now, this vehicle is only for the children's line. This isn't for the Chronicles line. Or, I actually don't know what they're calling it, but this is the one for the smaller one.
As a toy. Okay. Well, let me get down close.
Okay, here we go. Everything out of the box.
Yeah. The tail car. Look at that.
Oh, this thing's gonna be real big when we're done. There we go. Oh, ours came kind of. No, it had some white powder all over it.
Maybe it was the table.
Did it go to the table? I don't think so. I washed the table pretty good. I got it. Help me push this in. There we go. Let me get these on correctly.
Excuse me. You kind of look like a shark class.
They look like Wolverine claws, don't they? You're not gonna.
Okay.
This is where you back way up less. All right, put the wings on. The construction of this vehicle is fairly easy.
Let's put a figure on.
It's got a little trigger right here. Show them how it works.
Okay, buddy, you're too close to me.
I wonder if there's something to play with in here. I'm tired of playing alone.
You see? So this bends. It's got a rifle on it. Looks like it's got a claw. Looks kind of like a cross between a dragonfly and a scorpion. Oh yeah, look at that. It's got an openable cockpit.
Oh, grab a finger.
Pause this. It's got a little trigger button on the side. You have to push that in to bend the tail. If not, you will snap this thing. What do you want to put in the driver's seat? You know it's the bad guy's vehicle, right? You got to put a bad guy in it.
Who's castle?
Now the 4-pack comes with a special Skeletor with the cloth wing. The other Skeletor has no cloth wing, so he won't sit right in the vehicle. So that is kind of how they get you. There we go.
Now put this baby on.
Put it in. There you go. Now fly it around just like in the cover of the thing. Fly it down there. Yep, He-Man. What does He-Man say? Put it up. Show the camera. What does He-Man say? Okay, so like and subscribe. I appreciate the viewers. We're getting very close to 500. Stay tuned for more kid-friendly videos.
Say bye, boys.
That was
I can't remember when I've had a more pleasant day. Until we meet again.